Okay, so for mi abuela here, le is the indirect object pronoun. The indirect object pronoun aims to answer to whom, or for what. And then it always comes before the conjugated verb. And later on, you'll learn that it can also come after the conjugated verb together. But that's not what we're learning now. It's learning it before the conjugated verb. So same thing here. Les a mis tíos. Mi abuela me da una torta de zanahoria a mí. Me, and then the correct conjugated verb of dar, da. And then mi abuela a todos nosotros. Let's see if I can find the better one. Nosotros. Mi abuela nos hace galletas de chocolate a todos nosotros. Comes before the conjugated verb. Nos, for it's being done to us. Mi abuela te prepara pan de banana a ti. ¿Verdad? So it's te, because it's asking a ti, for you. Prepara, conjugated verb. Pan de banana a ti, ¿verdad? Probably get one wrong, watch. Because these things are weird. Okay, well, I did it. But that's pretty much it. You just got to learn how to conjugate this verb, or these verbs. But that's pretty much it.